lakini challenge ile kubwa tuko naye ni kuwa hiyo shimo ni kubwa sana. Imefikia karibu 40 feet. Tumefanya response layout na saa hii tunajaribu kuona vile tutaweza kuchimba ile shimo kona moja, ndiposa tuweze kufika chini, tuweze kuona kama tutafikia hata kama ni mtu mmoja. Tukishafika kwa hiyo shimo chini, ndio tutaweza sasa kusonga na hiyo shimo mpaka tupate wale watu.
Andikitwo wa mohoro mweno ucio ni marikitie gwikinyia mweno ucio kuri mihango ya guthikuria aria marathikanirio ni tiri wa kioro kirima ria marejaga wa secondary wa Kiandu gicigo-ini kia mbunge gia Tetu. Tuguthi na mbere tugikumenyithagia uria mihango iyo igukorwo igithie na mbere. Ndeto-ini ingi ni ati uringi kiama gia gutetera arutani kia NAT ni kiuritie thirikari ya mbere rugamie mutaratara mweru wa githomo, akiuga bururi ndwihaririirie wega kuuyukia. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa NAT Wilson Sosion, thirikari ndivangite wega na mutaratara ucio amu ona aria marawuthomithia kana magathomithia arutani matiri na umenyo uria wagiriire. Augite angikorwo thirikari ni kwenda mutaratara ucio kinyanire ndwagiriire guthingiririo uteti thiini waguo.
The trainings that are being purported to be conducted across the country are substandard and the trainers are not competent enough to interpret the CBC designs. The National Advisory Council has noted that the rollout has been conducted without a proper summative evaluation of the pilot phase. A curriculum cannot be politically imposed, but it is professionally qualified by due process.
Kiama giki kia NAT kiugite ni kihaririirie kwaraniria na thirikari niguo kwagirithia mathomo kuri arutwo.
We are prepared to engage with the ministry and we shall place our facts and concern absolutely and squarely without any fear. We respect every president of the Republic of Kenya whenever he is elected and sworn in. We respect every minister and even the employer. We respect government. We equally want to be treated well and fairly and listened to. Because at the end of the day, it is not the Minister for Education who teaches in the classroom. It will be the classroom teacher. So we must be listened to.
Minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i augite thirikari ni gutigirira tabarira ciothe cia thirikari ni cia kinyanira na cia tuika kiguni kuri muingi wa bururi. Araragia hindi ya ukungwiri wa thiguku Eid Fitri tauni-ini ya Mombatha. Matiang'i araugire ari na kana ene kandarathi iria mahetwo wira wa tabarira ngurani cia thirikari na ukinyanagie magie na mituki gukinyaniria wira wao nigetha wira ucio uthie uria utanyitwo.
Kuna wakati wa kujesa na wakati wa kulala, lazima tufanye kazi tuhakikishe kwamba tumewatumikia nyinyi vile nyinyi mnatarajia. So that we look at all those projects, the roads that you have mentioned, where we have challenges with contractors. And I want to tell you the truth. Our business is not to entertain lazy people waste public resources. Kama mtu kazi na mshinda tutamwambia apotee, we move forward and do what.
Matiang'i uria urarugamiriire mutongoria wa bururi ukungwiri-ini ucio uritie mbeu njithe gwithemana na ikundi cia njakara cia maitho matune na ikundi ingĩ ciothe iri na matanya ma gwika mawaganu na wikinaye.
Hofu wa usalama katika pande hii limeanza kupungua na tunawashukuru sana wananchi wa Mombasa, lakini nawahakikishia tunafanya kazi pamoja, na siku hizi tunakutana na viongozi wa mashirika yasiyo ya serikali, sisi wote na viongozi wa kidini, kuhakikisha kwamba tunadumisha amani ndio, lakini tunajenga daraja mpya ya uhusiano na utengamano kati yetu sisi viongozi wa serikali na wananchi tukiendelea mbele.
Mutumia uria uragerire ngero ya gutuma kimwana giake iromo na cindano na uthi ani atanyitwo gukinyia igoti-ini muthenya wa umuthi rucini. Mutumia ucio uria ni nyina wa ciana igiri na wa kuma mwena wa Maĩ Mahiũ Naivasha na aragerire ngero yo akiuga murio no inegene akoragwo naryo thukuru-ini na uguo akaremwo ni guithirania mathomo.